Lenovo's ThinkPad Z16 Gen 2 is a nearly nifty full-size office laptop, but the company forgot that old saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If you think Lenovo's business laptops are the epitome of enterprise IT, you don't know the ThinkPad Z series. Built for nonconformists, with AMD instead of Intel Silicon and tree huggers, with recycled and sustainable materials, the ThinkPad Z16 Gen 2 starts at $1,225.26, $2,488.85 is tested, even features a silvery Arctic gray aluminum shell instead of the usual matte black magnesium chassis. The Z16 is a high-performance desktop replacement that's as sleek and well-built as you expect from a ThinkPad, but it isn't cheap and has a couple of flaws not common to the brand. Crafted from recycled aluminum and delivered in plastic-free, compostable packaging, the ThinkPad Z16 Gen 2 starts at $1,225.26 with an AMD Ryzen 5 Pro 7640HS processor, 16 GB of memory, a 512 GB NVMe solid-state drive, a 920 by 200 pixel non-touch IPS display, and Windows 11 Home. Our $2,488.85 review unit, Model 21JX0027 US, is the top of the line, leapfrogging the available Ryzen 7 Pro for an 8-core, 16-thread Ryzen 9 Pro 7940HS chip, the max 64 GB of RAM, a 1TB SSD, Win 11 Pro, a 4GB AMD Radeon RX 6550M discrete GPU instead of the processor's Radeon 780M integrated graphics, and a 840 by 400 pixel 4K touchscreen with OLED technology. The only available upgrade is a 2TB drive. The laptop measures 0.63 by 14 by 9.4 inches and weighs 3.99 pounds. IPS versions weigh a bit more. That's trimmer than the Gigabyte Aero 16 OLED, 0.87 by 13.9 by 10.1 inches, 4.2 pounds, but hefty compared with the 2.73-pound Acer Swift Edge 16. Thin bezels surround the 16:10 aspect ratio screen, and a slight bump at the top houses the webcam, which has a privacy toggle, the F9 key, instead of Lenovo's usual sliding shutter. The face recognition webcam isn't the only way to skip passwords with Windows Hello, as you'll find a fingerprint reader on the bottom row of the keyboard. Like most ThinkPads, the unit has passed MILSDD810H tests for travel hazards like shock, vibration, and extreme temperatures. You'll feel almost no flex if you grasp the screen corners or press the keyboard deck. The Z16's connectivity is a major disappointment, however, and we don't mean its use of Wi-Fi 6E instead of the absolute latest Wi-Fi 7. All you get are 3 USB Type-C ports, 2 USB 4 plus an SD card slot on the left, and 1 USB-C 3.2 plus an audio jack on the right. The bulky AC adapter has a USB-C cable. You can connect an external monitor via a DisplayPort dongle, but I see no excuse for a non-ultra-portable laptop to lack HDMI and USB Type-A ports. We've often called Lenovo ThinkPad keyboards the best in the laptop business. The Z16's keyboard has a first-class snappy, if slightly shallow, typing feel and is brightly backlit, but I was dismayed that its cursor arrow keys are arranged in the clumsy row seen on HP laptops, half-height up and down arrows stacked between full-size left and right, instead of the usual and proper inverted T. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.